Hey guys, Brian here from LandTourier. Well, that's commitment. We're off to the Big Red Bash, Midnight Oil. 32 days to go, and we woke up this morning and said, let's just do it. Let's just give it a go. And we've never been out that way before. We've been as far as like Carnarvon Gorge, but we've certainly never been out to the Simo, Birdsville, any of that. So if you guys have been out there, even if you haven't, if you've been tracking around, you just got some tips that you could bestow upon us, we'd be so glad to hear from you. And anything, what to take, what not to take, we'd be happy to hear from absolutely anything that you've got to say. So off to the Big Red Bash, and we're so excited, and hell yeah, we're going to be filming this sucker. They said leave your drones at home, but nah, I don't think so. Alright, love to hear from you. Thanks so much.